In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the number of emails visible per page in Gmail when accessing it through your browser. This is a handy tip for those who want to efficiently manage their inboxes without having to sift through multiple pages of emails. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Gmail in your browser. Simply type in the web address mail.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in with your account. Make sure you enter your credentials accurately to access your inbox smoothly. Now that you're in, let's talk about the next step, opening the settings. At the top right corner of your Gmail interface, you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that to pull up the quick settings menu. From there, you'll want to click on the See All Settings option. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where we can make the adjustments we need. With the settings page open, you're now in the General tab by default. This is exactly where we need to be for our task today. Look over to where it says maximum page size, or sometimes referred to as conversations per page. This is the setting that controls how many emails are displayed before seeing the next page button. Now, let's change those email settings to suit your preference. Find the option that reads Show X conversations per page. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. When you click on this drop-down, you'll find several options, typically ranging from 50 to 100 or even more, depending on your needs and how you want your inbox to appear. Choose the number that works best for you. A higher number means you'll see more emails per page, reducing the need to flip through multiple pages. Once you've made your selection, don't forget this crucial final step. Scroll down to the very bottom of the settings page where you'll see the Save Changes button. Click on that. It's essential to remember this step because without saving, any changes you've made won't take effect and you'll have to start over. Now that you've saved your changes, Gmail will now display more emails per page according to the number you selected. This will make managing your inbox quicker and more efficient. Give it a try and see how it impacts your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your email experience.